Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain Maximum Technique Jujutsu Infinite. To begin, focus on understanding the fundamental principles that govern this powerful art. You must learn to identify and exploit your opponent's weaknesses with precision. Mastering the flow of your internal energy is crucial for delivering truly impactful and powerful attacks. This foundational knowledge is your first step towards mastery. Now, let's delve into mastering energy manipulation. It's essential to focus on precise energy control and its distribution throughout your body. Developing a strong, intuitive connection between your mind and body will unlock greater potential. Consistent daily meditation, even for just 15 minutes, will significantly enhance your focus and internal awareness, allowing for superior energy flow. Next, we'll cover strategic combat application. Always analyze your opponent's stance and movement patterns to anticipate their actions. Execute swift, decisive strikes targeting critical points for maximum effect. Remember, adaptability is key. You must be able to adjust your technique seamlessly to various combat scenarios. Practice these applications with a partner to refine your reactions. Finally, let's discuss continuous improvement. Engage in daily rigorous physical conditioning to build strength and endurance, which are vital for sustained performance. Always seek out experienced mentors for invaluable guidance and feedback on your progress. Most importantly, refine your technique through constant, dedicated practice. This journey requires unwavering commitment and a persistent drive to always get better.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.